Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Rose oil, rose otto, attar of rose, attar of roses or rose essence, is the essential oil extracted from the petals of various types of rose. Rose ottos are extracted through steam distillation, while rose absolutes are obtained through solvent extraction, the absolute being used more commonly in perfumery.
Take our lead.
This is because of the high cost of organic rose production and process of extraction, and oil extraction through steam, thermal distillation of its petals. Despite these obstacles, it's still highly coveted and a much-loved oil, both for its aroma and its benefits.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can use rose oil made different ways. Apply it directly to the skin or add a few drops to your shower gel, bath, or face cream for a hint of rose and hydration. Use it in a full body massage to reap the moisturizing benefits over your whole body. You can also apply oil to your scars when they are healing.
Take our lead.
Bring a few inches of water to a boil in a saucepan, then remove from heat. Pour a cup or so of oil into a glass jar. Look for an oil that doesn't have much natural odor to avoid competing with the roses. Jojoba and grapeseed oil are good choices, but olive oil, opt for the lighter kind, will work in a pinch.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.